The Mortal Kombat franchise recently got a significant amp to every character in the franchise's speed through way of the animated movie that came out not too long ago. You see, in this movie, Scorpion manages to outrun or dodge many of Quan Chi's lightning bolts. In this scene particularly, Quan Chi's lightning bolt moves about 405 pixels, while Scorpion moves about 154 pixels. This means that Scorpion must move at about 8,000 miles per hour. But that's not all we have here to look at, because just a split second later, he does an even more impressive feat. This second bolt moves approximately 178 pixels, whereas Scorpion moves about 159 pixels, and would put Scorpion moving at about 199,000 miles per hour. And this should scale up to pretty much every other character in the franchise, so yes,